Is that a van?
What? Close.
You have a
Nice, but
van is doing.
stop.
Wait, what's your name?
My
Name is how?
What's yours?
Name.
My name is Marie 2K5 and Andy 5K8.
You were good for
Everybody.
analyze
But it's
number.
but
Ever enough. There is no one. Marie.
Andy, come on. Let's go. Maybe enough.
But let's
Go to the van.
No, we don't have a seat. There are 5 seats in the van. But hell, there is a van, but member. Andy 5K8, let's go. Marie, I think hell is turn right. Yes, Andy. Follow ahead.
audio jump.
Gunfire.
Guys. Hi, Jess.
What is your
Favorite your job.
but
However, yep, I can't open my chassis. You can see in. What is this? I don't know what happened to my head. Hi, Julie. Why you? Pump the head like a full dog.
what is the future?
Sure.
Hi, boss. What are you having a nice day for having what's this?
Hi there, Princess Slim. What's yours? My name is Catman. Let me saw you in the house.
Buddy,
Turn off the
music.
so you can be
Quietly. Why did you turn off the music? I told you.
see
But
every enough
everyone,
one
prepare
to be an
nervous guy.
I what
We
we
don't know what happened.
happen.